What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. I'm Tammy. Today we are working in the backyard again. If you haven't seen previous videos on the backyard and where we are, make sure you check those out for some context. But today I'm about to work on the yard timber, lawn timber? I can never remember what it's called. Anyway, I'm going to be cutting down some boards to line the backside of my new garden bed that I'm building to keep the mulch from going through the chain link fence. So I'm going to cut those to size, get them painted up, and I will also be sheet mulching with cardboard. I don't know how much I'll be able to do in this video, but I also have to build my, not build, but really set my edging pavers for the front side of the garden bed, as well as hook up my drip irrigation system that'll be going back here. Putting in an arch to kind of make a secret garden sort of area. What else? And then ultimately mulch. I think that may be it. Yeah, so got a lot on the docket to get done. Like I said, I don't know if it'll all be done today, most likely not, but let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna measure out the cuts that I need to make and transfer them to my wood and get all my pieces cut.
I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling.
Okay, so as y'all just saw, I got all of my boards cut and laid out where they're going. Not permanent placing because I have to paint them before it's fully done. So now what I'm going to do is get to sheet mulching. And the cardboard needs to go under where I'm putting the timber pieces. So I'm going to do that first. And then I'm going to paint. Really, when you're sheet mulching, you're 100% of the time supposed to remove the tape and labels and all of that stuff. I did that for the front yard. I'm not going to do it this go round. Don't be like me. Be better than me. I have so much space to cover though that I'm just not going to do it. And when it comes time for me to dig, as I come across it, I'll just have to pull the tape out of the ground. I know y'all probably cringing. I am too, but it just is what it is. But let's get this cardboard laid out.
Maybe we just go like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
I'm hoping not to talk to try and double back twice, but you had me running right back. Yeah, I be coming back to back, yeah. Right by your neck, yeah. Say you arch your back, yeah. Tell you to stretch what's up. Rushing here real fast just to take it slower. No, I ain't these other hoes, and boy, you let me know. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get there way faster. Hoping that you're here to stay, we'll see how it plays back to. Boy, you say you're done with games and more. We gotta get deeper now, deeper and deeper now. Wonder how you give it to me so good. Guess I never had a real nigga from the hood. But you gotta understand this wasn't in my plans. You're trying to get deeper now, feel this is deeper now.
So I'm not ready to install it yet, so I'm not gonna leave it here. I just wanted to see how it will look. I have to hurry up and get something to cover this fence. Yeah, hurry. But it looks really good. Really happy with it. I think I'm gonna end up burying these legs in the ground and cementing them in. Well, I don't know, we'll see. Y'all, it's hot out here. It's really hot. But we're back in the backyard today, and I'm working some more on my sheet mulching with the cardboard, as well as getting my border kind of mapped out with my edging material. What else? I need to get the drip hooked up, so once I get all the sheet mulching, well, I have to get the drip hooked up after all the sheet mulching is down, so I can go ahead and get this mulch. I'm gonna tell you, I'm running out of energy. This project has gone on longer than I expected. You know, when I have energy, I can just work through and get it done, not take breaks. But I'm running out of steam, y'all, so it's getting spread out. But anyway, let me show y'all what's been done so far. This is where we're at with the sheet mulching. So I've gone along the back all the way down here. I'm worried that I'm not going to have enough cardboard to do the whole thing, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Yeah.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so.
Okay, got all the edging down. Now I'm just gonna go through and kind of perfect my curves until I'm happy with it, and then we can move on to the next step. Also, excuse the fact that the air conditioning unit is really loud behind me. Got the edging all laid out to my liking, so the next thing I'm gonna do is, now look at my little what is this, butterfly candy butterfly bush. Oh look, it's a ladybug on there. Yeah, my lavender butterfly candy butterfly bush. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's so droopy and it's yellowing from the inside, but also starting to bloom, so I have no clue what to do and what's wrong with it. That's the little raspberry, another little raspberry, and while they have a few yellowing leaves, they don't look anything like this one. Anyway, I got sidetracked. We have this hole in the chain link fence, and to keep the dogs from escaping, I got this, we had like this piece of wood over it, and of course now this needs to move because this is going to be the flower bed. So I got the I got chicken wire to put around here to secure this. So I'm gonna get this cut and hooked onto the fence. It's not the prettiest repair in the history of repairs, but it will serve its purpose, and I really like this little kit. It came with the roll of chicken wire, the safety gloves, the little cutters, as well as the thingamajiggers. What do you call them? Zip ties. And they were pretty cheap on Amazon.
No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight.